outsource.net.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I've got a video today about mic check software from Adobe. It's really good, really handy, and if you've seen any of the videos from this channel, you'll know we've had pretty average mics in the past. So that is a thing of the past now. So I'll go through this software and you'll see how big of a difference it makes with a cheap microphone. So the software is called Adobe Mic Check and it's part of Adobe's podcast software. So just head on over to the website here. I'll leave a link in the description. Then just click start. And then here you'll be taken to a new page and we'll do a mic check. So click test mic. You might get a little prompt here to give approval to use the mic. Just make sure you select the right one. And then do stop. And it will analyze the data coming from it. So this one's set up quite well. I've cranked the gain up quite high just to show you what it looks like when it's outside of the box. So as long as you're in the green, perfect. So no background noise, no echo, and the distance is fine. I just got to turn my gain down. So that's all you need to do for mic check. Once you've got that set, you can record your audio, do whatever you need to do, and you can head on over to Adobe Podcast Enhance. Again, that's the link there. I'll leave that in the description as well. And then you can upload your audio file. So just drop it into this little box. You got an hour max or a gig, but you can split files if you need to. And Adobe will analyze it and send it back to you with all the noise removed and a improvement to the audio quality. And it's a huge improvement. So definitely check it out. Anyway, that wraps up this video. You can probably hear the audio difference. So that's used through Adobe Enhance. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.